Hi. Hey, Kelsey, what are you doing up?
Just got done running the vending machine. You're your nutritional breakfast. Thank you.
Oh, actually, my heart belongs to Susie Q.
Is your alarm clock still going off?
Yeah, it is.
Are you gonna turn it off?
I would, but I gotta go to work. See, they can't write about themselves unless they're Emily Dickinson. It's just a little joke we have in the obituary business. Oh, I'll see you later, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey Mike, the computer's down again. Can you come take a look at it? Thanks.
Hey, buddy. Got you a snack, too.
What's this?
Believe it or not, every computer in the building was down. It wasn't just yours. But we gotta keep up deadlines, right? Right?
A TypeWriter? What's this thing from, the 80s?
I actually found a whole storage of these downstairs, and they kept them around for the whole Y2K thing. But I'm sure you can figure it out. You got everything you need here for the obituaries? Just need you to type them up and get them to me. You know, the dead can't write about themselves, huh? Huh? Have fun, buddy. Tim. Hey, Tim. Hey, buddy. Hey. You can't take that. That's property of the Post.
Dude, I just gotta do something important with this, okay? I
What
swear,
are you supposed to do?
I'll get it back to you. I just gotta do something really important.
Tim!
It's important!
That's why I have you.